Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and today we're messing with the budget beater Chevelle. I guess Pop seen the video and he got all kinds of excited. Had this thing in the shop, had it vacuumed out, cleaned out, ripped the front end off for us, got the bumper off. I forgot to tell y'all, it also came with a motor. Had a 68 350 with some double hump heads and stuff on it. We might revisit that later. Our first question for y'all is we're just going to go ahead and get it together as a baseline. But we're going to ask y'all, do you guys want to go with a big block first or a small block first? And then a 2-speed transmission or a 3-speed? So just let us know in the comments below. We're going to get this thing ripping and rolling up and down the road, and then we'll go from there. So Pops, you think we can get it done for $6,900?
Sure.
No problems, huh?
Got all kinds of pieces laying around.
So what do you think about the condition of the car itself?
I like it. Well used.
Well used, that's for sure. It's actually a little bit more solid than I thought it was going to be. What about you?
Yeah, I'm off the fan.
Let's take a look at it. When we first got it, it had stuff piled into it to the roof. They was actually using it for a garbage disposal, I guess. It had probably 3,000 dog food bags in it. As you can see, the floors, they got a little bit of rust in them, but nothing terrible. You know, we'll be able to hodgepodge something together. We got the old school steering wheel. Got the old tack that'll read 10,000 the second you give it any gas at all with any kind of motor, so that's always cool. And then we got some gauges, so we're well on our way to having a race ride. Take a look at the trunk. Trunk is basically the same as the floors. It's got a spot here or there, but I think we can live with it. We'll just patch it in the best we can. So, guys, tell us what you think. Think we should go with the big block, small block, 2-speed, 3-speed? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.